Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Sorry, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply any mask that you want on your videos on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this as the background just cause if it's the theme, I'm going to add in a black stock video. I'm just going to freeze frame it, delete this, and I'm just going to adjust this as well. Go to local and add in like any shape that you want. I'm just going to add this snowflake one, and I'm just going to extend that. Select both the background and the overlay, right click, create compound clip, then go to blend mode and select darken. And that's it. Maybe have like a more colorful video than that. Let's see. Nothing really is fitting the theme of anything. What about this? Well, it's a photo, so can't really see it, but it's the same as like any video that you choose basically. But that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.